back to my channel. My name is Sam. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today I am so excited. I have been waiting for this package to come in the mail. I know it was a big snowstorm in like upstate New York. The mail was delayed, and plus it's just crazy with COVID, but this package finally arrived and I am so excited to share it with you. As you may or may not know, I am an ambassador for Wallace. I have been a longtime fan of the brand before I became an ambassador, and now as an ambassador 4 times a year, I get a shipment from Wallace and I am able to review, unbox, and share my love of the products that I received with you and answer any questions that you guys might have. Inside this package is actually bags that you guys chose. Over on Facebook, I took a poll and had you guys vote on what bags you most wanted to see and hear about and just know all the details about. To me, it is the most important that you guys get to see product that you're interested in, and that is really what I'm here for, because I love the products. I love all of them, so there's really no wrong choice in my opinion. That being said, let's just get right into this box and see what you guys picked. It's always nerve-wracking opening these packages because you just wait for your bag to come, and then when it finally comes, like you're a kid on Christmas. We'll speed this up and spare you guys all the loud crunchy noise. So in here I have 2 bags that are actually new this month. They were just released for the 12 days of Christmas. You guys picked them. I'm excited to see them myself, and I'm excited to share them with you. First bag. So it's so much bigger than I thought it was gonna be, which I'm happy about because I think it's going to be amazing. This is their crossbody sling bag, so you can wear it like across your body. I'll do a whole detailed video on this, or you can wear it as a fanny pack. It is awesome. I love the silver hardware on it. It does come with a strap to wear across your body. It comes with a couple of different strap options. It comes with a waist strap, and then it comes with this chain detail strap. If you have any specific things that you'd love to see packed up or size reference, I'd love for you to drop it in the comments below. This bag I think is going to be amazing. Number 1, COVID, hands-free, hello. Number 2, like we go camping, we go hiking with the boys, especially like in the summer. I think like if you go anywhere with your kiddos, like to the park, you could definitely put a few diapers in here and snacks for sure in your wallet. I mean, it's plenty big enough for that. So I'm super excited to get this one packed up for you guys. Second bag that I got is the small Metro convertible backpack. It is literally the cutest. Look at the little leather trim details. It's like so small. I'm sure this is how it probably is on like a micro setting or something, but I've never personally seen that. Love the black hardware. You guys all know that I love the matte black hardware. My mini Metro Tote Deluxe has matte black hardware as well, and I just love it. So this bag does have a backpack option, but then it also can be cinched. Look how cute that is. I'm not gonna lie, this is like definitely out of my comfort zone in terms of like style, I guess, but I think this is going to be a great little bag. It does not have like a crossbody strap, but it just has backpack straps and tote handle straps. So I'm excited to get this all packed up for you as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and give me a follow over on Instagram. I'd love to chat with you guys and learn more about you and what you like about the brand. And if you decide to shop Wallace, I'd love if you use my link down below. It just helps support my channel and helps me to bring more content to you. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, all the things, and I'll see you next time. Bye.